Okay, guys, I'm back, right? And I'm telling you guys, after about just 10 minutes, if it was that, I was able to go back inside and put my countdown timer inside of my actual capture page. In the last video, I was talking about giving you guys a free countdown timer that you could actually use to go in and install countdown timers on your capture pages. And the importance of that, I thought, and the power of this particular technique or strategy is that you could create a sense of urgency. You know what I mean? You got your calls to action going on, you got your hooks going on, but sometimes creating a sense of urgency, right? What we call scarcity, will move a person into action a little bit quicker, right? Now, in my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video series, right, that marketing platform that I'm creating, I'm already offering a $25 cash prize to a particular subscriber that comes onto my list. Now, by adding the countdown timer, they have that much time to respond. This is a great technique and a great strategy you're going to find, and I'm going to find, because I already know what's going to happen here, to do that, guys, okay? Now, in the last video, I showed you guys how you could pick up this free countdown timer. I also showed you guys that when you got it, all you needed to do was make sure you have an email address in here. Really simple steps. Put the time zone you're working with. Put the dates down here that you want your timer to reflect. Make sure you tick your language and then click create. When you do that, it creates a source code down here for you. If you guys can access your capture pages, if you're creating your own capture pages, then you should know how to access your particular source code on the page so that you can embed the actual countdown timer. I'm using the Power Lead system to do that. I'm sure, guys, I can do it inside of my Get Response account as well, because it's really just a piece of code. That's all websites really are, guys. It's a series of numbers and symbols and codes that allows what you put on them to populate. And so I over time, of course, this was just something that I always wanted to do. Had some capture pages inside of some of the software that they have that already had countdown timers. Never really knew how to go in and alter those, but now, guys, this is really simple. And again, it's a great way to create scarcity, a sense of urgency while you're creating your capture pages. And I'm sure they could be, you could put these inside of your bridge pages or wherever you want to put them. But in this instance, guys, it's going to work perfectly, okay? Because in my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video series, I'm actually prompting my process suspects, guys, not suspects, could be suspects, but anyway, my prospects to dial my actual SMS phone leads number. And when they do, the specified subscriber coming onto my list will actually win a $25 cash prize, right? Number one. And then, of course, on the other side, they'll be redirected to myself, my wife, my partners, and what it is we're doing to start making money online. And they'll learn these things. You'll learn these things. And so this is just a great approach, I think. And this is why I'm taking my marketing in this direction. I want to get more up close and more personal. And that's what my Dialing for Dollars video, I'm kind of going off into something else, but that's what that series is all about, right? And you'll see, if you follow me on YouTube, you'll see exactly what it is I'm doing, guys. But anyway, if you want that free countdown timer, guys, I'll leave the link in the YouTube video description area along with some other links you might be able to use to build, grow, scale your business, whatever it is you want to do. And then you guys can pick it up and just follow those 4 simple steps, guys. I'm going to go through them one more time real quick. Make sure that you got your email. This is free, no charge. Make sure your email is right here, guys. Make sure you go in here, check your time zone. When you get down here, you make sure that these numbers correspond with the dates you want your countdown timers to reflect. Get your language. You can choose the background, whatever you want to do there. Hit generate over here on the right. It'll generate that code. When you're able to access your source code, you will go back there like I did in the last video, but I had it over too far to the left. Then you guys can set up your capture pages with the countdown timers inside. Anyway, I hope it's been some great information. I hope that you can use the tool. If you're not doing this already, guys, at some point in time, I promise you, you will be. And so go on and pick up the tool and bookmark it somewhere on your desktop or on your phone, guys, because one of these days, you might want to create a little bit of a sense of urgency inside of your capture pages, okay? And you can do that. It's a beautiful way to do it, actually, using countdown timers, okay? Anyway, thanks for being on the video, guys. As always, this is your boy Marlon. I've been wishing you guys wisdom, peace, and prosperity into living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. I'll see you guys on the next video.